What is up, YouTube? I'm getting back at it today. I have a plan. I watched a video and I feel really inspired, and I'm gonna try to do the mason jar salad thing again. The last time I did that, I was 39 weeks pregnant with Archer, and I brought my own salads to the hospital when I was having Archer because they didn't really have very good vegan options. And so I'm like, I'm gonna be healthy and I'm gonna be able to poop after I have the C-section. I know, TMI, right? But you know what? I don't even care. Everybody poops, okay? Anyway, so Archer and I are headed to Target. I'm gonna get some wide-mouthed mason jars, and I will film while I'm there so you can see what I'm up to. I think I plan on doing like a taco salad for the first time, but I'm serious. I am serious about this. This is serious business, okay? And I need you to hold me accountable because this will make life easier. So, and just for record, I had oats for breakfast with blueberries and it was delicious. I know. I know you wanted to know that. Anyway, okay. Let's get to it. Are you ready to go to Target?
Yeah.
Okay, say let's go.
Let's go.
All right, I just got to Target. Wish me luck. And yes, I need luck to go into Target because we all know how things go in Target, okay? How about this one?
What's this?
Perfect.
Break it out.
Bingo. Found them, and they're not even that badly priced. $11.99. I don't think that's bad. For how many you're getting? 12? Probably get 2 packs.
Bingo.
This is gonna be awesome.
Bingo.
Also, my battery's gonna die, so I apologize for that. Archer, you got your cars?
Yeah.
He had some birthday money. I just need to give a quick shout out to Target for getting all these vegan and cruelty-free perfumes. That's pretty fantastic. And they actually carry a lot of brands that are vegan and cruelty-free. All right, I'm back. It ended up taking longer than I thought.
Next morning.
To get the things that I needed, but I was not able to make as many salads as I thought just because this is the first time that I've done this. And so I was able to make 7 salads. Now I have a much better grasp on what it takes to make the mason jar salads. And I'm gonna do a test. So usually I use these metal bowls to make my salads and they're usually pretty full. So I saved one of the salads and put it aside. I haven't eaten yet, and I'm gonna dump the mason jar into the bowl to see if it's about the same size as what I'd usually be eating anyway. But I do have it right here. I have not dumped it obviously yet. I will show you that right now. Okay, so here's one of them. I did have baby spring mix for almost all of the salads. And then I had romaine lettuce in the other ones. And then this is like a ranch / Frank's hot sauce dressing. It is a whole food dressing. There's no oil in it, so that's pretty fantastic. Here's all the jars that are left over. I plan on being able to make, you know, maybe 12 at a time in the future now that I have a better idea of how it works. But the kitchen is kind of a bomb. I mean, I did clean up a bit, but kind of look at the sink. It's kind of a bomb. But that's okay because it's worth it to have healthy meals ready to go. I will go show you what they look like in the fridge. By the way, did I mention that our house is a construction zone right now? Yep, this is, you're looking at where the new kitchen's gonna be, guys, and it's a disaster. Yes, it is, but that's okay. This is the new fridge, so that's why there's hardly anything in it. Might get asked. Okay, so here, oh, that looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Here we have this other 6 salads, and then right here I have the dressings for those. So, I did squeeze one key lime into each of these, and then I also put some red wine vinegar in there as well. And if you want to get real fancy, then you can add some crispy tortilla strips that you make yourself from the air fryer or whatever, and that'd be awesome and amazing, of course. All right, here's the moment of truth. I'm taking the lid off of it and I'm going to dump it into the salad bowl. You might have to work at it for a second. and maybe try to pull some of the lettuce out. Oh, come on. There we go. Come on. Ta-da! Oh my goodness. All right, so I would say that that's a pretty full bowl. What do you guys say, huh? Look at that. So I already said I have this dressing to go. Look at that, how not to die. I already have this dressing already made for it. It is a ranch dressing with Frank's hot sauce added to it. The ranch is a whole food, plant-based recipe, and it has no oil in it, which is amazing. Gosh, I'm gonna have to link in the comments where it's from. I'm totally spacing that right now. Anyway, I'm excited. I think I'm gonna make some tortilla strips. Anyway, I think I'm gonna make some tortilla strips to go on top of it. I love salad. So this is a ridiculously awesome, amazing thing to have 14, whatever, a week's worth of salads basically prepared. My son's knocking at the back door. I should probably let him in. Today's a hat day, folks, by the way. That's all right, right? Anyway, I'm excited to dig into this recipe. It's definitely seeming to have been worth it to just take like an hour. Okay, I'm letting you in. What, Archer?
Oh, I want to.
Okay, well then come in. Okay. It seems like it'd be worth it to make and take that time for an hour to prepare. So I have the next 3 days for Skylar and I both planned out. The dressing's made. I think the only tricky thing...
Up there.
Yeah?
I want to go outside.
Then go outside. I think the only tricky thing is maybe the tortilla strips, but I'm sure there's a way that we can pack those as well. So Skylar will probably just keep a bowl in his car with a fork, and that'll be the easiest way to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's not locked.
It's locked.
You guys, toddlers.
It's locked.
Thanks for watching. I'm excited to put out some more videos and see where this goes. I will definitely let everybody know, probably on Instagram, if, you know, when I do make 6 or 7 salads, if on the 7th day the salad is still fresh. But the video I watched, the salads looked fresh still, so I'm thinking that it is. It's been real. We'll see you later.